In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error 73 quickly and safely using a few simple troubleshooting steps. This issue can happen when Steam gets stuck in the background, when game files are corrupted, when the Steam service needs a repair, or when Windows security settings are interfering with Steam's integrity checks. The good news is, you can usually solve it without reinstalling everything. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to handle the clean exit loop. Sometimes Steam looks closed, but a ghost process is still running in the background. That can prevent Steam from starting properly and trigger error 73. Start by fully closing Steam. Don't just click the X in the corner. Go to the top left of Steam, click Steam, and then choose Exit. After that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, look carefully for anything related to Steam. You may see Steam.exe, Steam Client Bootstrapper, or Steam Web Helper processes still running. If you do, right-click each one and select End Task. This makes sure Steam is completely shut down and gives you a fresh start. Once everything is closed, right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Launching Steam with admin privileges can help bypass permission issues and allow the client to start normally again. If error 73 is only happening with one specific game, then the problem may not be Steam itself. In that case, the next step is to verify your game files. Corrupted or missing files can cause Steam to throw error messages, especially if a file like Steam_API64.dll has been damaged or removed. To check this, open your Steam library and find the game that is causing the issue. Right-click the game and select Properties, then go to Installed Files. Here, you'll see an option that says, Verify integrity of game files. Click that option and let Steam scan the game. Steam will compare your installed files with the official version and automatically replace anything missing or broken. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so be patient and let the process finish before you try launching it again. If the error still appears after that, the next fix is to repair the Steam service itself. Sometimes the Steam service becomes stalled or damaged in the background, and repairing it can restore normal functionality. To do this, first close Steam completely again, then press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Now type or paste this command exactly as shown: C:\program files x86/steam/bin n/SteamService.exe, followed by space, then /repair. After you enter it, press enter. A small terminal or command window may appear briefly while the service repairs itself. Wait until that window closes on its own, and then open Steam again to see if the issue is gone. This step is especially helpful if Steam updates, permissions, or background services are preventing the client from working correctly. Now for the final check, especially if you're on a newer Windows setup, look at Steam's app integrity status. With recent Windows security changes, Steam may rely on a green app integrity shield in the status bar. If the shield is red or missing, it could indicate a security or compatibility issue. To check this, open Steam and go to Settings, then Interface. Look for Client Beta Participation and make sure it is set to No Beta Chosen. Using the stable version of Steam, it can often prevent odd client errors caused by beta builds or mismatched security settings. After changing that, restart Steam one more time and check whether error 73 is still showing up. In many cases, one of these 4 steps will solve the problem completely. So to quickly recap, first fully exit Steam and clear any leftover processes in Task Manager. Second, verify your game files if the issue is only happening with one game. Third, repair the Steam service using the Run command. And fourth, check your Steam settings and make sure you're not using a beta client if the app integrity shield is causing trouble. If you followed along and Steam error 73 is fixed, let me know in the comments which step worked for you. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, fixes, and quick guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.